Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. I have a walk around video for you guys today. As you can see behind me, it is a Ford Excursion. I know we've been doing a lot of trucks, so this is for you guys, my true original followers. But guys, this is a really very nice, almost mint condition, I mean extremely nice Ford Excursion. I can't wait to tell you about it. But hey, if it's your first time with us, welcome. My name is Jake. I'm the owner-operator of Success Motors down here in College Station, Texas. We're gonna take the next 15-20 minutes. We're gonna show a walk around this thing. I'm gonna tell you all about its history. I'm gonna point out the flaws. I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna show you under it. Everything that I can to make sure I tell you the ins and outs of this vehicle, so that if you're out of state or even just out of College Station, you know whether it's worth your time to come down here, fly down here, etc. Now, I do always recommend come to College Station, drive it, put your hands on it, bring a mechanic, whatever you want to do, because inevitably you'll see something that I would forget or miss, but I'm going to try to show you everything. But we can handle this entire transaction electronically. We can have this thing delivered to your door and sign all the paperwork through DocuSign. All right. With all that out of the way, let me walk around this vehicle and just show it to you guys. So again, this is, in my opinion, one of the nicest Ford Excursions that you're going to find, and one of the nicer ones that we've had. My detail guy said, Jake, this thing is mint. It's extremely nice, one of the nicer ones you've ever had. And he specifically said the undercarriage, the oil pan, everything underneath is the driest and cleanest of any Excursion you've ever brought to us. So for what that's worth, guys, I think this is very nice, but my detail guy also said that as well. And guys, these are getting hard to find. If you're watching this channel, you already know that. You've probably been looking and you recognize that these are really getting hard to find, especially in good condition. Forgive the Shelby, it's got a new home. It's waiting pickup today. But guys, this is a 2003 Ford Excursion Eddie Bauer, so that's kind of unique. They didn't make as many Eddie Bauers as they did limited, so you don't see it quite as much. This one is a 6.0. It is a Powerstroke diesel, of course. It's a four-wheel drive. And guys, this thing is bone stock mechanically. That's right, this thing has never been tuned. It's not deleted, doesn't have head studs. Guys, this thing is just all original, and it's really in fantastic operating condition, guys. I feel very confident in this 6.0. It runs great. It doesn't build any excessive head pressure. I'll show you that in a minute. Doesn't have any leaks. Doesn't have any, I mean, it's a very good running, healthy sounding 6.0. The transmission shifts smooth. Guys, this thing spent most of its life bouncing around between like California, Mississippi, Texas. So it's a rust-free truck. CarFax is perfect. It has a great maintenance history, and then it also doesn't have any damage or accidents reported to CarFax. So guys, this is great history, excellent condition, and just a very nice rig overall. All right, I'm gonna hop in here and show you the interior. So the interior is gonna be very clean. I'm gonna call it, man, that's a good looking Shelby. Sorry, it's just peeking over there. It's a beautiful condition. Of course, in 2003, they went to this kind of darker wood grain, which I prefer over the 2000s to 2002s. Of course, this one's your power windows and locks and mirrors. And of course, again, like I said, there's no rust on this truck, guys. The rockers are perfect. And then here's even the original VIN placard. And then I'll show you up underneath here just so you can see it. Frame looks great, and then the rockers look really good. And then even just showing you up here, you can see there's just nothing dripping. There's not even any residue. Guys, this is a really clean Excursion underneath. Really rare to find them like that, honestly. Leather interior, of course, this is the Eddie Bauer, so it gets you the two-tone tan and like a darker gray. I believe this to be the original condition. I believe it's the original material. You know, slight, that's not a crack, that's like a scrape. Somebody with a, I don't know, a knife or something. It doesn't go through, but just a little scrape. But condition of the leather, I would say, is in great condition. Seats work, you can see. Now, kind of cool, one of my favorite aftermarket modifications, if you will, for an Excursion like this is they took it to a Navigator steering wheel. So no Excursion came with a wood grain steering wheel. Somebody has upgraded this out of a Navigator, so the wood grain actually matches really well, and it feels great in the hand. Now, you will notice the color does not quite match, but not that big of a deal to me, in my opinion. But I really like the feel of the wood grain. This one does have a trailer brake controller, does have a brand new JVC head unit right there, which you can see you can plug your phone in down there. But it's a four-wheel drive, like I said. No cracks in the windshield. And then let's see here, headliner's clean, but that guy or that guy is broken, just so you can notate that. It does have floor mats throughout. While I'm here, just show you, the paint is just really good. I know we'll do an exterior tour here in a little bit, but the paint is extremely nice. There's no clear coat flake. There's no paint flake. Just extremely clean exterior, which I'll show you in a minute. Also, can't wait to show you this. So again, I've mentioned this before, not everybody wants the buckets, but if you want the buckets, you only want the buckets, guys. So this one has second row buckets, and these are in great shape. This thing feels very soft. It was probably garage kept, which is how the paint looks the way that it does. And the leather feels as soft as it does. Again, just, you know, floor mats everywhere, but the carpet's clean. Headliner is clean. And these seats are really nice. I will say, I don't know what used to be here, but somebody has put a hole right there in the plastic. There must have been, I don't know what would have been mounted there. Maybe a speaker, a light. I don't know. There's no telling. At the end of the day, it is still 23 years old. So there's no telling exactly what was in it at some point in its life, but very clean. And then the third row is also very clean. So I'm telling you guys, the interior is top notch, and the exterior is about the same, top notch. Spare tire, I don't know the age of the tire, but it feels to have good tread depth. Carpets are clean. You can see both of these barn doors open and close. Hinges are strong on the door there. Coming around passenger side. Again, no rust in the rockers. And again, just as clean on this side. Very soft, very supple. Third row's good. Headliner's clean. And again, it's got that same hole on this side also. No telling. If you have any questions, call me, 979-202-1948. Power seats on this side work as well. Again, original material over here as well. I would assume it feels like it. Good condition, no rips or tears. Of course, the dash is in great shape. Original owner's manual is in there. And just a really nice interior. No rust hiding anywhere. Everything looks great. All right, interior, I would say, is a good, I don't know, what, 9 out of 10? 8.5 out of 10. Very nice. I mean, the only thing you could really deduct for is that weird hole. All right, exterior is also super clean. So it's cool, two-tone, right? Cladding. I don't know what color they call this, but it's two-tone. Different color here than the paint. And it does have your pinstripe from the factory. So kind of just a pretty and kind of a rich-looking color scheme. Paint's in really good shape. Like I said, paint is very good. These tires have less than 500 miles on them, by the way. These are a BF Goodrich KL2 size 285, 75, 16, of course, on the original wheel. And you can see everything in there is super clean. No doubt the frame has at some point been painted black, or somebody's gone on and done something. From all my northern folks, it does have the place to plug it in right there. But frame looks great. Leaf springs look great. Everything looks great. Underneath side on this thing is really clean. Mirrors are clean. I mean, it's not perfect. I'll show you a couple little dings and little scrapes, but it's really, man, they're just impossible to find like this. They really are. Everybody's looking for them. Don't forget, they're, 26 years old to 26 to what, 21 years old, depending on if it's a 2000 or 2005. But maybe a little dent right there, like a door ding. But man, overall, no dents or dings or major scratches. That's not down the metal. That's just a little surface level something that could be polished off. We did not do a paint correction on this. Now I do know there's a little dent right here, so something kind of just like hit it right here, bang. So it was not in any type of accident. Something just bumped it right here. So you can see right there, dent, just kind of right there on that line. Not a huge deal, but it does have a little dent there. I want you to be aware of that. Like I said, all the tires are the same. They're replaced at the same time. There's no rust anywhere in this rig. All of your leaf springs look good, wheels look good, and then tires look good. So really, I mean, a very clean exterior. A little bit of oxidation right here on this guy. Nothing crazy. Couple little paint chips right here on the back. Of course, it is Eddie Bauer, two-tone painted to match bumper, part backup sensors, trailer hitch, looks great. Little bit of like paint rub right here. Somebody could take that off. That's just like something yellow swiped it right there. I guess the cladding is a little bit loose right there from the double-sided tape. Trying to point out everything, but being pretty nitpicky, honestly, for a 23-year-old vehicle. Paint is super reflective, no flaking of any kind. Again, tires are good. This thing was also recently serviced. It's got a new alternator, a new serpentine belt, new batteries. Just very nice rig. Paint correction would do great. It's got a couple just little like light scrapes, like right there, that a paint correction would make this thing look brand spanking new. But overall, you know, we didn't see any big dents, dings, or major flaws on that side. Again, everything's nice and black. Tires are all the same everywhere. Coming around the front, bumper is exquisite. Grille looks good, bumper looks good, and then hood looks good. Maybe a rock chip right there. But again, overall, no thinning of the clear coat, no flake, no cracks in the windshield. Roof looks good, hood looks good, underneath looks good and dry. Interior's clean. All right, let's check out the engine bay, which is also very clean. So engine bay looks really clean. Both batteries are new. They were just recently replaced. Alternator was recently replaced. Serpentine belt was recently replaced. And then a couple of these boots were just recently replaced. Again, it's stock in here. I can't confirm this, but the brake booster looks new. I didn't replace it, but it does look new. Very clean engine bay. All right, let's start this rig up, and then we'll drive it here in just a moment. Not a cold start, but a cool start. It hasn't been driven. Wait to start light. Fires right up, guys. Like, fires straight up. And the previous owner where we got it from, so remember, most of our Excursions come from the previous owner and not like an auction. You can see the temperature gauge. That's pretty far down there. This thing hasn't been driven. It was just pulled out of the garage. This thing has 185,855.1 miles. But he said back in the winter when it was super cold, this thing didn't have any problem starting in 30-degree weather. He said it's a great cold starter as well. Windows, window, locks. Again, so this stereo is actually brand new. I just replaced it. So this is new. So that works. You can hear it right now. It's not on a good channel, so it's just staticky. AC's blowing cold right now. Rear AC works also. Blows cold. This guy works 332 miles till empty. Again, AC's blowing cold. Seats work, windows work, locks work. It sounds like a very healthy motor. No blow-by, just vibrating. I'm on a slope. No blow-by at all. And then no excessive pressure, at least by that test. Sounds great. No smoke. Super nice Excursion. Man, I forgot my sunglasses. It wasn't sunny earlier, now it's kind of sunny, so I'm squinty. AC is still blowing cold. All right, guys, 2003 Ford Excursion, Eddie Bauer, 4-wheel drive, Powerstroke diesel, all stock mechanically. Slight level. I don't know that it's lifted. It's got a slight level, maybe 2.5 inch. It's got a really nice stance to it. Tires are brand new. Batteries are new. Serpentine belt's new. Alternator's new. Can't confirm this, but the brake booster looks new. Man, super nice. I think the only really flaws we saw are like maybe like a door ding, maybe a couple little scrapes here and there, but pretty freaking clean inside and out, to be honest with you guys. All right, let's take it for a test drive. If you have any questions, like I said, call me 979-202-1948. And that's Shelby. If y'all want a Shelby, you missed your chance at it. That was for sale for quite some time. It's a nice car. All right. So I've actually driven this quite a bit already. It drives really good. Suspension feels good, tires feel good, steering feels good, transmission shifts smooth. But nonetheless, let's take it for a drive so you can see that for yourself. Gonna have to wait for this Camry to get out the way. Man, it was raining like crazy earlier. Luckily it's stopped, so the roads aren't gonna be wet. All right, here we go. First shift, perfect. Second shift, perfect. Third shift. Feels good. Transmission feels good. Fourth shift. We're in fourth gear now. We'll go to fifth here in a second. There's no check engine lights, no ABS lights, nothing weird. You can see the temperature gauge is starting to climb a little bit. Again, this is the first drive for the day. It hadn't been driven. AC still blowing cold. Steering feels good. Steering wheel feels good in the hand. Nice and thick in wood, so it feels nice. Just shifted into fifth gear. All the shifts are perfect. 55 miles an hour, about 1600 RPM. Man, a bone stock 6.0 drives very smooth. Motor feels really smooth, feels strong, feels healthy, plenty peppy. Suspension feels good. I do know the body mounts or the motor mounts, one of the two, were actually recently replaced, so it doesn't have any of the weird creaking that you could feel in the floorboards whenever you go over like an uneven surface. So none of that, because that was replaced. I think it's the body mounts, so the cab mounts. Nice and quiet in here. No weird squeaks or sounds, no weird smells. Again, you can see temperature gauges are rising. We're going about 58, going close to 60. You can see my hand is not all over the place, even though I'm one-handing it, and we're not on a great road. And it's a little bit windy. I'm gonna pull into the church parking lot per usual. Let's get on the brakes, see how they feel. Brakes feel great. Brakes feel really good. No weird, ooh, there's a puddle. No weird feeling in the pedal. Actually very firm pedal, no feedback, and then the steering didn't pull either direction. Nice little turbo sound back there, sounds great. Well, there you have it, guys. Really nice Ford Excursion, really nice. It's harder and harder and harder than ever before to find them in this type of condition, guys. It's really nice. I think this is a true buy today, drive today. Come down here to College Station, drive it back to wherever you are, even if it's New York or something. Of course, we can have this thing delivered to you if you'd rather, but the point of it is I think this thing is very healthy mechanically and would make the drive just fine. I don't think there's anything that needs to be replaced. I would say it's absolutely an A+ condition, interior and exterior, A+ history. Just speaks for itself, guys. Very nice. All right, guys, have an awesome day. If you have any questions, call me. Otherwise, God bless you, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon.